Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can log out or sign out of Groupon account using the Groupon application on your mobile devices. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up the Groupon application and make sure you are in the home screen. Now, click on My Stuff at the bottom right corner and scroll all the way down under My Settings and find the Sign Out button at the bottom and tap on it. Confirm that you would like to sign out of the account by tapping on Sign Out one more time. Doing this will take you to the home screen and also log you out of your account. And that's how you easily sign out or log out of Groupon. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.